Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Etiefo, we mo bi akwa eba Melodies TV so. Na ye ba be ye mass. Ye be ye mass. Na nini nemu no. Statistician. Ye beka say obi a waben wo ye lecturer at University of Ghana. The premier university in Ghana. The friend Dr. Justice Moses Ahetu. Now, what the Nsembia Babon, yes, will be a statistician, and not say will you be a mass more. In fact, even in KNUST, we share more mass in statistics now, or more one department, because statistics deals with mass. Oh, yes, statistics are your calculations and now the bayer. Inti, papa you be your doctor, or statistics more, or tre. Some mass nessa calculations nessa nyamano ewo University of Ghana. Wa babo ntend the calculation be ababe tuga. Calculation no NDC for huno as evidence of rigged election in the sense wo mujina calculations we so can say about no ya ade bi was say cancel result na easy no wa babo ntend ababe bono. Na nini nemu no ya be church nsem ase na mo nso mo ate ase ye be Ghana fo ate ensem ase because enyo bia no wote ma asase ntie bia wo bi be ba bonten se wo di papa yi ate mama mo ate ase me sei me go school no na me ya ade wo mass mu pa na baby a wo se ye trust ye no ye be trust ye na enna no me kan sem bi wa ha sei akwa kwa se sansem a me kan ye no papa ne nso aboso ye be tre bibia ase now answer ye be trust ye no me pese me ma mo tie ase Electoral Commission, we call on my website, so they have changed the figures that we declare about 3 times on their website. Say, even journalists, Nanaba Namwa, Eba Bontembe, question on Twitter say, easy. And then I will declare results. So declare results in the year. Oba Bontembe Catherine say, results no crano, errors ni Yama wom, Yatiasia. O website in Sono, O Sesano, O Sesano, na AC. Now, Ensemble ekoso results na isi no o declare no and na wana ya tia say results na wo declare no so no yes a mistake na so the correct one e kraba still nanado ebe wini asem a isi no wo kan no I'll let you guys understand something, and that is the calculation the statistician doctor nipa kwa wo tra de e University of Ghana no wo de aba now now we read the other screen name the yellow Adiana Watron, sorry, me say yellow green. Adiana Watron green in one was a speech by Ms. Jane Mensah, chairperson of the Electoral Commission, on declaration of 2020 presidential election results on 9th December 2020. We no by was say she said Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo of the NPP obtained 6,730,413, being 51.293% of the total valid votes cast. Asemwa EC chairperson wakan no. Now, I say no, send me din kan no say won ni massa, won say asem na say ye. Na ni nemu no e was say ye tre ensem wase. Sa figure na EC no wo boy no. That figure, if you look at the total number of votes casted, that figure cannot amount to the 51.295%. It's no any mathematical error is no obey. Now wonim error na is in the year no why people are seeing this error as deliberate no make sure trust. One, President Akufo-Addo number no so what person will find the rightful percentage the percent me tre will be there last me use ekutuo example bi yemfa ne say mo ye nkrofo 2 na mo ye nkrofo 2 na mo che ekutuo 13 na ekutuo 13 na mo che no wo wenya 6 wo wenya 6 if ye ba statistics mu na ye pese ye find the number of ekutuo wo wenya na and the percentage of ekutuo wo wenya na e be ya 6 divided by the total number of ekutuo, which is 13 times 100. Obi a woni mass bia be hu say calculation na melody say ye no ano no. ma membo subiom inti me de ekutuo example ne na ye na nkrofo ati ase because enye obi a na obeti ase ekutuo 13 minim se na America wotwi mo mesre mo fa nche me ekutuo 13 ena nkrofo 2 mo che na ba ko nya 6 now nipa ko na wenya 6 no ye pese ye hwe the percentage of ekutuo a onu wenya ebe ya 6 divided by the total number of ekutuo no which is 13 times 100 ye calculate ya na trese wo no unya ekutuo no 46%. Unya 46% of ekutuo no. Nti eno no statistician ne ba obeka so oh ekutuo 13 na ye share among two people no will say unya 46%. Okay, cool. Nti yamfa the same thing embra Ghana elections ni mu. Wo hwe President Akufo-Addo ne figure na isi no ese onya ye na 6,730,413. If you want to find his rightful percentage, you divide it by the total number of people who voted. Just like ekutuo no, ye pese yenya percentage no, ye chair nipa ba ko dia wonya ye by the total number of ekutuo ye chair ye no, vote no so the same thing. Isi na mayati ase say the number of people who voted 13,434,574. Now, who divided President Akufo-Addo ne chefa 6,730,413 and you want to strike a percentage, you divide it by the total number which is 13,434,574. Who divide here times 100. Ubemu se President Akufo-Addo ne percentage awonya ye 50.09. It's in the first place is woma yati asese President Akufo-Addo nya 51.295% no a mistake because see a person share President Akufo-Addo the percentage pa you divide it by the total number of people who voted. But you know what the EC did? The EC divided President Akufo-Addo's number by the total number of valid votes cast. And that was where the error comes from. Because yamfa say ekutuo ya making one say percentage na ye ya nipa na wonya 6% no ye nipa na wonya ekutuo 6 out of 13 a ye calculate ye na wonya 46% no yanka say ekutuo no ye hwe papa na ewo mu no ebia na ekutuo no 6 na wonya na 13 na ye nya no 2 asay wom. But yes, strike percentage you can say yes, strike the number of ekutuo a wunya ye no. Isi ne de na wo ye ne say isi no was it ekutuo 13 no. 13 no wo hwe de wonya ana wo hwe de asay ewom. Nti amfa ne say ekutuo 13 no 2 e na asay ewom. E na wo yi 2 ni free mu. E na better than 11. E no divide de nipa ko no nya 6 no by the 11, which is statistically wrong. Because Ghana has say you calculate elections it has never happened. Say you calculate percentage you calculate the number a person gets over the valid votes. We calculate it over the total number. Until no ube won say you can say oh rejected votes ne kra no address in CPP, rejected vote for cry address in PPP. That is how we calculate it. Because one calculating is how are you going to even get the percentage of rejected votes? It is mistake our ya wama President Akufo-Addo the percentage no cost no. Instead of dividing, instead of denominator no, better than the total number of people who voted no, another total valid votes cast, another unkofo to aba ye nya we no, isi na nya ne saa, and of course san de no. So that is what is coming through. Now, statisticians no mayati as say the right figure for President Akufo-Addo is 50.09. In other words, 50.09 no, President Akufo-Addo has still won because when you have 50% plus 1 vote, it just a way winning. But you see, is in also my as say one constituency be there enyam bebo mu ye and as our constituency no ne there ne ye 124,000 124 plus thousand and 124,000 plus san was a mechano 124,000 plus and then na east in the person yet here the person me ye mass e wa ha say President Akufo-Addo now has 50.09%. Now 124,000 plus no, let's strike a percentage. Ni divided by the total number of valid votes. Ni ehwe say sa figure no ye de koka Mahamadie no ho kra na still President Akufo-Addo be wini ana. Na ye de koka ho na still President Akufo-Addo ne person did not tia na to say send yankrofo e kan say easy wa rege no statistically ne kra easy anya calculation ni ye eno ene de nsem bebre aba. Now let's do this calculation. 124,000 me say a mass ni ye what I say 124,000 divided by the total number of people who voted. What I say times 100 into wubenya 0.92%. Into natural say the number and a figure na kano is 0.92. Now yenti 50.09 no yenti 0.92 in free President Akufo-Addo aside the statistical error and the arithmetic error na easy e make you know the right figure wonya is 50.09. Now 50.09 minus 0.92 ebe ma 49.17. Naturally say sa 0.92 techiman die no na ka ebe kan ho a there is a possibility say na ka President Akufo-Addo wonya 50%. Naturally say na ka aba na be call runoff. President Akufo-Addo would have still been leading Mahama because obenya 49%, and in 49% no obe leading Mahama still. Who the yan fan say techiman kra no 124,000 plus. Yan fan say 124,000 plus na kra ye chemu too. Still na ke be affected. Ama President Akufo-Addo aba benya ebia 49.5 BB. Na wonya 49.5 BB a Ghana mra say o say wonya 50% plus 1. Actually say na ka aba na be call runoff. So in actual sense, for those who don't understand what is going on, say when the mass now in statistical and a statistics are open when they say EC made a big error in calculation na womo ye you know na calculation ya ade bia endiambwa because about two way ne kra e wo nyame anim ne say if na ka wo ye the rightful calculations are a runoff. Na Kamahama won win it say na NDC4 e ka no NDC4 person ye tia say ya rege abanama Akufo-Addo no na Kamahama won win but President Akufo-Addo na ko wonya 50% and that is the calculation. Obi a woni mass bia send video we ma no o mass teacher a wono kraye MPP ni a send video we ma no obi hu ni say melodies what share say woni mass. And that is what the lecturer, the statistician, our doctor at University of Ghana, no, and also the same calculation, and also the above saying, our tre say easy and yadia. It is a big deal. Now, meaning say Ghana has a microphone any mass or say the way people are not talking about this, no, because I dare you, if Nakamahama Nankoye president, and that is what hurts me. If Mahama Nankoye president and I dear way a ya, I bet you say you'd be hearing the media making noise about it. Get statisticians. I don't know whether they know say adia no error. And I want my promo said you. But get people who know mass. Momombra bonting, no more scrutinizing the but you see NDC Fonso, Monsomo Kamubi, Monfanko court. What the court na mo akwa come asem court and people will see say assembly and the credit. But I also want for court now we press conference when I told you why because say you can based on mathematics pan there easy anya calculation here. Based on maths calculation na easy here you know in diambwa because about two way say you say na ye no send ya Ghana calculation ye no French man about two way a run off. Nanado would have still led but a complete runoff based on calculations Amaya Tro CCR. Won't tell me your comment box no me that's it.